Streamplify mic. Today we're checking out this cool new microphone from a new brand called Streamplify. They actually sent me this device and they focus on the content creators that are just starting out and don't really have too much of a budget to get the super expensive gear. So today I'm gonna go over this product, I'm gonna do a mic test, and I'm gonna show you how good or bad it actually is for the price. Let's get right into it. First off, let's talk about the design and build quality. The Streamplify RGB microphone comes with a lightweight yet sturdy tripod, making it easy to adjust the angle and ensuring stable positioning. If you want the mic arm instead, you can pick the version of the Streamplify mic with the mounting arm. Whether you're sitting or standing, this microphone adapts to your needs. Plus, it features a sleek RGB lighting design that adds a vibrant touch to your setup. Now let's go into the incredible features of the Streamplify mic. It comes with a cardioid pickup pattern, which means it captures your voice accurately while blocking out unwanted noise from the sides and rear. Say goodbye to background distractions and focus on delivering clear and professional sounding content. One of the standout features is the 2 audio playback modes. The gaming mode gives you more noise reduction and disables the background noises, while the podcast mode gives you a clear sound, but it does introduce a little bit of background noise. You can swap between the modes by simply holding the volume knob for a few seconds. This is a Streamplify mic test without the pop filter. This is a Streamplify mic test with the pop filter. This is a Shure SM7B microphone test. So this is a $400 microphone. Let's see how it compares to the Streamplify mic. Setting up the Streamplify mic is a breeze. It is a plug-and-play microphone, which means all you have to do is just plug it into the PC and you are set. It supports up to 48 kHz 16-bit sample rate, which for the €55 price tag is really good and delivers a great audio quality. To enhance your recordings further, the Streamplify mic comes with a pop filter. This handy accessory filters out pops and plosive sounds, ensuring your voice remains clear and distortion-free. It's a fantastic addition for achieving professional-grade audio. In summary, the Streamplify mic with a tripod is a versatile and feature-rich microphone that caters to content creators of all kinds. With its RGB lighting, adjustable tripod, 2 audio playback modes, quick mute function, and exceptional audio quality, it is a perfect companion for podcasting, gaming, streaming, and more. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down in the comments below, what do you think about the Streamplify mic? Do you like the sound of it? Do you like the design? Let me know everything down below. Streamplify was kind enough to send us some more products, and I will be doing those reviews in the future videos. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out and have a good one. Bye-bye.